Hi guys, I'm in Jogja. I did a vlog early in the morning because it was just perjalanan. It was just busy sitting down in the car doing nothing. But I've arrived in the hotel right now, and we're gonna go shower first and then eat dinner. Hi guys. So our parents are eating gudeg, but we are not. Gudeg. I'm sorry for being uncultured, but we're kind of picky too. So we're gonna wait till they finish eating first, and then we're gonna find something else to eat. Hey guys, I'm back in the hotel room. So we only ate and we night beca, and that's it because we're all tired. Cause we went from Jakarta at 6 a.m. and we arrived at 5-ish, Maghrib time basically. Hey guys, we're gonna eat breakfast. And yes, I'm wearing the same clothes because I only wore it once, only for a few hours yesterday. So we're gonna go back to our room because me and Icha haven't done our makeup yet. This is my fit check. Come on! Hey guys, so we have arrived in Prambanan and we're gonna go get the tickets to get in. So we're here already. Look how pretty it is. It's so hot though, they had umbrellas outside, but we didn't get it. So we're done taking pictures and looking around the Candi Prambanan. And now, what are we gonna do now? We're gonna go back to the hotel. Chow, what did you get?
Lemon iced tea.
Already in the beach.
Let's go to the beach, let's go get a wave.
And we've spent time a bit, and now we're gonna go back to the city and we're gonna go to the mall. We're in the mall already. What are we gonna do here? What are we doing here? We're gonna eat. So we are now taking a family photo shoot wearing adat Jawa. Hey guys, so I was editing the video and then I realized that I did a bad job at explaining what I was doing because I didn't really say anything. So we went to the mall to eat lunch, and you know, I just can't resist seeing cute stuff, so we went to a cafe and bought some stuffs which I did show later on in the video, so just keep watching. So that is the end of Jogja Diaries. I'm very sorry if I didn't really explain what I was doing much and I didn't really talk much. It has been a while since I did a vlog. I don't know when the next time will be, but please hope that I will be more productive, and I will see you in my next vlog, inshallah. Yeah, thank you.